Today I will take the proforma which I have given last time to you peoples for filling up the proforma. So the results which you have to find out according to your score that I give in this particular article. If you have score 1 to 6, then problems in your life are minimum. If you have scored 1 to 6 marks in the proforma, then problems of your life are minimum and you are capable of managing the problems. If your score lies between 7 to 13, then your life running average. And if you are scored 14 to 20 marks, then you are under danger zone of mental stress. You need counseling and require to change your lifestyle. Now, if you score above 20, then you have to consult a मनोचिकित्सक और साइकेट्रिस्ट. और साइकेट्रिस्ट PSY psychiatric. So these are the result of the format 1 to 6. Problem of your life are minimum. You are capable of managing the problems. If you score 7 to 13, your life running average. If you score 14 to 20, you are under danger zone of mental stress. You need counseling and required to change your lifestyle. And if you are getting score more than 20, then you have to consult a मनोचिकित्सक or a psychiatrist. So these are the result of my last lectures, in which I have given you that proforma of 23 points. Basically I have told you 25 points, but there are 23 points because 2 points are repeated. So that points I have not taken. So you compare your chart, whatever you have prepared, by this table. In this table I have given all the level of your mental stress and your according to your score how much you can manage for that. So 1 to 6 they are not too worried about anything. 7 to 13 your life is running average, means you are on the borderline of the normal life. And if you are 14 to 20, then you are under danger zone, and anytime you can shift above 20, and in that case you require the help of psychiatrist to solve your problem. So these are the result of last lecture format which I have given to you. Now today I will discuss the points given according to your syllabus for further study of leadership. In this further study of leadership, the point given are as followed. The first point given, that leader should take initiative. If any problem or task given to the leader, then he has to take the initiative. Leader should take initiative. First point, leader should take initiative. Second point is given in the topic, take responsibility on behalf of group. Take responsibility on behalf of group. The third one is to visualize the team event and plan things for the event. To visualize team event and plan things for event. Plan things for the event. Then fourth one is to take interest to carry out related activities. To take interest to carry out related activities. Then last point is to take interest in solving team related problem. To take interest to solve team related problems. Now all these points can be understood by some example, because points of course given in the syllabus, but how we can solve this on the basis of a practical problem. Suppose a leader given a problem, a fictitious problem I am assuming here. There is in an industrial state, there is one multinational company which is based for export oriented unit. This export oriented unit in one industrial state face a problem that on every last Friday of the month the number of persons take leave from the industry, they don't report on the work. Now this is a big problem faced by the leader. So problem is that on every last Friday, workers in majority do not report on work. This is a problem of export oriented unit. This is a export oriented unit. Now what are the probable reason for this particular problem? We have to find out whatever the probable reason for this particular problem. So leader should take initiative for that. Now how he will take initiative? The leader will ask to every worker or person who are working under him that why they are taking leave on a particular Friday, that is the last Friday of every month. They do not report to the work. They take their weekly off on that day. So this problem given to the student to find out the reason. So many students have given answer according to their thoughts, their thinking. Somebody says, सर साप्ताहिक अवकाश इसलिए लेते होंगे कि वहाँ पे मार्केट लगता होगा, उनको सामान खरीदना पड़ता होगा. Some people say that Friday को one particular religion have a day of prayer, so people are not reporting due to that. There may be majority of Muslim workers are there. Somebody say that sir, there is a salary day, it may be possible, and people may go for purchasing of the goods for the house. So many reasons given by the different person according to their approach or thinking. But what happened actually, that have to be find out by leader take initiative. So leader take initiative in that case, and he has find out that main problem is that on the last Friday of every month, this export unit load the export quality material to the shipyard or to load on the ship for export. And in this prakaran or case, the workers requirement is maximum, and without any extra remuneration, the worker has to do the work of loading unloading of goods on the ship. To take all the materials, export quality material in the lorries or trucks, send it to the port, and from port they unload from the lorry and then load to the ship. So this was the main reason which comes out by a detailed initiative taken by the team leader. So now he has to solve this problem, that people should come in time on that last Friday of the month. So there are so many alternate. One alternate, we should pay extra money for the work, because this is extra work. Second, made it compulsory to present on that day. Third is, or make alternate arrangement by external agency. These are the probable initiative which a leader can take for this problem, in which on every last Friday of the month that export oriented unit face the problem that laborers do not report on the work. Now he suppose should take or give extra money, then it is burden to the organization, because they are already getting per day salary or salary of the month for the working in the industry, and it is already mentioned in their appointments that any work which is in the industry, you have to perform that work without any extra overtime. So first initiative is less applicable and peoples are not agree for that. But leader if convince and some peoples come, then he has to pay the overtime or extra money for that. But even though, because these are our regular worker, so output of this worker will not be sufficient to fulfill that day requirement. So what is he is come to second point, he made it compulsory for all the workers. So when it made compulsory, then again problem comes that trade union leaders or politics will be involved. Peoples may go on strike, that they will not do this extra work. So that is also failed in long term. After all, third initiative is more important, in which make alternate arrangement by external agency. This is most reasonable, because suppose they require 50 workers on that day, so they may contact a labor supplier to do that work, and for that they pay money according to contract, and this contract is given that from the site store of the industry they have to supply this material up to the port, and from port it is to be uploaded on ship and then it is dispatched. So this contract is given to private industry, so that initiative is most applicable in this case. So for this problem which I have given, on every last Friday workers in a majority do not report to the work in a export oriented unit situated in a city or in an industrial state. Problem is that. Problem is what? That on that particular Friday, every month, last Friday, the material is to be loaded on the ship, and for that the number of workers required, and the regular worker do not want to work this. So the third alternate selected by the leader, initiative taken by the leader, he has informed to the higher management that this is the solution of this problem. So leader find out problem from alternate three possibilities. So one possibility is suit to this work. Now take responsibility on behalf of the group. Now whatever group appointed for this particular work, it is definitely not the regular employee of the work, they are employee of a contractor. So leader has to give proper attention, responsibility on behalf of the group. Means he has to control the particular contractor who is supplying this quantity of labor, which may be 50 or 100, that they should do this output of the work from morning 9 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. Whatever target given for that particular day, it should be fulfilled by the group which is appointed from the external agency. So take responsibility on behalf of the group. It means that total responsibility of leader is there. He has to coordinate the contractor or labor supplier with their labor, allot the work, mention the time, volume of work, decide the wages, and according to that he will do the work. Then third, visualize team event and plan things for the event. Now this is because now this team is of not industry, because these peoples are appointed for the work from the outside. So their control is total on the contractor or labor supplier. So here the role of leader is that he visualize team event and plan things for the event. It means that he has to give a detailed working chart to the contractor that you have to do this work in this particular slot of time, this work in this particular slot of time, because there is a departure time is also there for the ship to other country. So before departure time of the ship, all material should be reached to the port so that all activities run automatically smoothly. So for this case, the contractor should follow the initial visualized team event and plan things for the event. Means if he for one day on the Friday, he plan the complete chalk out the program, that at which time labor report, which time they will load the material on the containers which is available in the industry, and at which time they should reach to the port, and how they will unload this particular material at the shipyard. So whatever type of TNP required, because only by hand this work cannot be done. You require certain tools and plant, such as movable crane, it is required, hoist required, then other TNP required for the material. So this all things should be visualized by the leader in advance, so that he can make the advance arrangement of this. Then next point is to take interest to carry out related activities. Now related activities with this particular work, it is to be initiated by the leader, because arrangement of tools and plants, cranes and other loading equipment, it is to be done by the company. So initiative should be taken by the leader, so that every item which is necessary for loading and unloading of that material, it is available with the workers of the contractor. So they will do the work fast and as per the instruction given by the leader to the contractor. Contractor will now become a new leader for the group, because main leader is the industrial person, he is the regular employee of the particular industry. But when he hires the labor from outside, then there is a one leader selected for that group of workers which are appointed as a one day wages on that particular day. So the regular leader of the industry, he should coordinate with the leader of the new peoples which are coming on that day for the work. So this is the point, that is take interest to carry out related activities. ऐसा नहीं हो कि रेगुलर लीडर ही जस्ट left the work on the contractor. अगर if it is so happen, then contractor may not take much interest in the work, he tried to increase the time of work so that he can earn more. So this type of mentality is there of the private agencies, that whatever work you have given in a particular stipulated time to work or complete the work in a particular period of time, the labor contractor, they slow down the work willingly, so that they say that, sir, today job is not completed, so one day more we should be given. But here is the condition that ship will be depart at 5 o'clock in the evening from that particular port. So before that all the material should be loaded on the ship. So there is no question of delaying the work. So for this reason work is not delayed, or total material should be loaded. Any material should not be left, otherwise it will be turn on to the next month Friday. And till that, if the opposite party who is given the order, he may cancel the order, so there will be loss to the industry. So in this case what happened, the regular leader of the team, which is a permanent employee of the organization, he should coordinate with the labor contractor that this work should be done within time limit and with complete volume, whatever it is mentioned. And whatever type of tools, plant and all machinery required, it is provided by the leader, because he take interest to carry related activities. The last point in this is to take interest to solve team related problem. Now sometime what happen, contractor who has given 50 laborers, they may have some problem, say for lunch problem, say for breakfast problem, say for problem of any other medical supply or medical aid. So this problem may come because this work is a heavy work. You have to load the heavy machineries or heavy export oriented item on the container and then unload it on the port and then load on the particular ship. So there is a lot of difficulties come. So both the leader, one is the contractor as a leader, direct leader of the laborers, and second is the leader of the industry, who is the permanent employee of the person, who will responsible for payment of all the wages on that particular day. So he should take all action to solve the whatever problem it is faced by the workers of the contractor. It should be solved by the permanent leader, who is the employee of the industry. So according to that, he should mention all the reasons or all the point he has to work out, where he has to given all the information to the workers of the contractor. And whatever difficulty faced by the contractor workers, it is solved by the main leader of the industry, and according to that the work will be expedited. So in this way what happened, that work is completed according to the time limit, work is completed according to volume limit, and the problem can be solved. So this is one of the task oriented work in which leader should take initiative for a particular task. So task is, I have given that one industry, export oriented, situated in an industrial state, has a problem that on every month last Friday maximum labor take leave, do not report on the work, so work suffer. But what is the reason? Reason is thought by the persons working in the industry, and there are so many different reasons people have quoted, but the actual reason was that on that particular day volume of work increased because of loading unloading of export material on the ship, and for that the initiative to be taken by the leader, that is the main leader of the industry, and for that he has opt 3 alternative. In this, first, second are failed, not possible. This alternative number 3, it is possible, because some extra labor is hired from the market by the supplier of the worker or labor supply agency, and the work can be done. So such type of problems many times in industry come, in which day-to-day working of the industry may suffer due to nuisance created by the some of the laborers or the workers. So a leader should have a foresightness to complete the work according to these 5 points. Leader should take initiative. What initiative should be taken by leader? First, he understand the problem. Here he is understand the problem that on every Friday of the last Friday of the month, the people are not reporting for the work. So this is the first problem, and that problem he assess, and according to that his own thinking, he has find out so many alternatives or so many causes for that. But ultimately cause was find out that on particular day, a Friday of the last Friday of the month, that people's workload increase because of loading unloading of the export material on the ship. So ultimately he has planned to have alternative choice for that work, and in which majority choice I have given should extra money paid to the labor, but it is not allowed by the management because people are regular employee, they are getting salary. No extra work is there because time is from 11 to 5 or morning 8 to evening time 6 o'clock, 8 hours duty. So no extra payment will be given. Second point, made it compulsory. It is also a difficult task because when you overload the workers, so trade union problem will be there, and there may be strike or the boycott of the work. So this type of problem faced by the industry. So ultimately the last problem that was made by the leader, that make alternate by external agency, alternate labor arrangement from the external agency. So that particular arrangement is successful, and the company is now working smoothly, and whatever worker who are taking leave on that particular day, they are taking leave accordingly, and there is no effect on their leave is on that day work. So some extra money of course is to be invested or is to be given by to the labor contractor by the leader with approval of the management, but work is going on smoothly, and they are taking all this work very smoothly on every last Friday of the month. So this is what one example I have taken, in which how a leader can approach for the task. So first he defined the task. Last time I have given you task definition, what to do, when to do, where to do, how to do. These are the tasks in which the first question it is arises. So in this particular task also, the leader first thing, what is the task, what to do. What to do means we have to shift material from the industry to the shipyard, and from there to be loaded on the ship. This is what to do. When to do, time is given morning 8 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. It is when to do. Where to do, it is on industry site or on the port site. Though there are two sides of work. Loading work is to be done on the industry, and unloading and loading work again to the ship at the yard. So where to do, when to do, time is given. How to do may you have to find out how many manpower required for each activity and what type of tools and plants required for each activity. That these tools and plant and machinery, it is to be arranged by the regular employee leader of the industry, and he provide the things for that particular contractor of the worker, and he execute the work and timely that whole work is completed. So in this particular article there are 5 points is given, in which all the problems, all the points I have discussed in detail. If you have any problem to ask again in these particular things, then you can WhatsApp message to me on my number, and if any difficulty if you are facing in finding out the solution, or in your mind if any other alternative solution is there, because when we want to develop the leadership quality in the student, then they are also made free to think for that particular purpose. So apart from whatever points I have given, there may be more point in your mind. You just think over it. Problem I have given to you, whatever more accurate problem it may be possible rather than this I have given. So you have to just think over this problem and find out that any much better problem you can provide for that. If this is come in your mind, then definitely this is a constructive approach for the leadership. So for today, again I read whatever point I have given. Problem was there on every Friday of last Friday of the month in an industry which is export oriented. Laborers are not reporting on time or not reporting at all in the industry. Reasons find out by the leader, and leader have given the 5 type of activities in which leader should take the initiative for finding out the problem solution, then take responsibility on behalf of the group, means those workers are appointed by the labor contractor, and to visualize team event and plan things for the event. This is also done by the main leader of the industry. Then to take interest to carry out related activities, for which whatever things required he manage for that. And then last point is to take interest to solve team related problems of the team. Team related problem is, it is problem will be from the contractor side or the side of the leader, that leader who is giving problem to the main leader of the industry, and that leader who is controlling the labor is the labor contractor. But whatever problems are coming, it is to be solved by the main leader of the industry, who is the in charge of the work. So in this way, this particular type of activities completed by the leader and task is finished. But even with these activities, 5 numbers, the first activity is to be decided by a leader. You keep yourself on place of leader and think what should be the initiative you will take for this type of problem. So similar to this, one more problem I will discuss next time, in which a different type of problem will be there, and for that problem what type of initiative you will take as a leader and how you will solve that problem, that I will be take on the next period, or whenever my next period will come. In that I will show you one more problem of similar type. This is live problem of the industry, and according to your own brain you try to apply your brain to find out the solution for that particular type of problem, which I will discuss next time. Is it? This is today's problem. It is today problem is that on every Friday of the last Friday of the month there is a problem arises in the industry. For that, whatever initiative taken by the leader, and according to that problem has been solved, and number of points given. These points will be common for all type of problems will be arise in any industry. We have to go for all these 5 points Leader should take initiative, take responsibility on behalf of the group to visualize the team event and plan things for the event, to take interest to carry related activities, and to take interest to solve the related problem. So these 5 points will be remain same. Problem will change, industry to industry problem will change, but we have to follow this particular pattern to solve the problem. So this is basically a task based leadership in which you have to perform the work by finding out alternative solution. Okay, so for today this is sufficient, and next time we will take one new problem for the industry, and you think on this problem. If some solution better than this, if it is in your mind, then you can suggest me. So that will also we will discuss on these points. So this is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this lecture. Watch the lecture seriously, because this will develop particular attitude in you to become a leader. Okay, because you are a student, you don't know what is happening in the industry, how to work in the industry, but all these things, there is the problems come in the industry, and if you are projected or if you are face this problem, so you should have a approach to solve the problem. Every student have mind to think, so your thinking will be important, that for particular type of task whatever given to you in the industry, how you can organize that. So this particular task today I have discussed, in which we have got the solution and problem is solved. Next time we will take some new problem, in which whatever problem is there, again we will discuss on the 5 points, what initiative to be taken by the leader, and if some better initiative is there in your mind, you can also suggest me. So this is all a practical type of subject, in which practically we will perform when actual leadership qualities. That is only possible when student come in join the college, and after this period of corona, whenever our institute will be open for the student, then I will take definitely I have told in my first lecture that we will form a group of 15 students each, and I will appoint one leader for each group, different. So they will given a task with time limit, so they have to solve that problem, and that will be actual learning by practical approach. This is whatever I am giving, it is all theoretical assumption. According to we are doing this, but whatever actual problem will come, that will be you discuss on these 5 points, and you will find that there will be a solution, and that solution may be given by leader or by its team members also think for that. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.